Hello, my name is Laura. I am the host. Today, we talk about morning routine. This episode is slow. It is for A1 learners. We use simple sentences. Listen and repeat.
Hi, Laura. Hi, everyone. I am Daniel. I work in an office. I help beginners with simple English. I will share my morning routine.
Great. Daniel, can you tell us one sentence about your morning? Please speak slowly.
Yes, I get up at 7:30. I usually drink tea. Sometimes I eat breakfast. I go to work at 9. I check my email first at work.
Okay. Listeners, repeat after Daniel. Say, I get up at 7:30. Good. Now say, I usually drink tea. Nice.
Laura, what about you? What time do you get up? Tell us, please.
I get up at 6 o'clock. I always drink coffee. I eat breakfast at home. I go to work at 8. I start work at 9. I check my email too. I have a meeting sometimes.
Wow, that is early, Laura. 6 o'clock is early for me, but I like that you are organized.
Thank you, Daniel. Listeners, please repeat. Say, I get up at 6 o'clock. Now say, I always drink coffee. Good.
Laura, do you drink coffee at home? Or do you drink coffee at work?
I drink coffee at home. I eat breakfast at home too. I go to work at 8 and I start work at 9.
I see. I go to work at 9. I start work at 9. I check my email when I sit at my desk.
Let us say the key verbs. Repeat with us. Get up, drink coffee, drink tea, eat breakfast, go to work, start work, check email. One more time.
Get up, drink tea, eat breakfast, go to work, check email. Good.
Now, a small practice. I ask, Daniel, you answer. Daniel, what time do you get up? Speak clearly.
I get up at 7:30. Yes, I get up at 7:30 every day. I usually drink tea in the morning.
Good. Listeners, now you try. Ask yourself, what time do you get up? Say the answer. Say, I get up at 7 o'clock. Or say your time. Good.
Laura, what do you do first when you start work? Do you check email?
Yes, I check my email first. Then I talk to my team. I have a meeting sometimes in the morning.
Okay. I check my email too. I write emails in the morning. I talk to people in the office. Simple work sentences.
We use small time words. In the morning. At 8 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. Every day. Usually. Sometimes. Always.
Right. These words help you tell a routine. For example, I usually get up at 7:30. I sometimes eat breakfast. I always drink tea. Try the pattern.
Listeners, repeat the pattern. Say, I usually get up at 7:30. Say, I sometimes eat breakfast. Nice work.
We also use a question. Do you drink coffee? Do you get up early? Do you check your email? These questions are simple. Answer with short answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Daniel, Do you drink coffee? Or do you drink tea?
No, I don't drink coffee. I drink tea. Yes, I usually drink tea. Short answers help a lot.
Very good. Now we do a short listening and repeat section. We say one line, then we pause. You repeat. Ready? I get up at 6 o'clock. I always drink coffee. I go to work at 8. I start work at 9. I check my email.
I get up at 7:30. I usually drink tea. Sometimes I eat breakfast. I go to work at 9. I check my email first.
Great. Now a small surprise. We use substitution practice. You change one word. For example, change the time. I get up at 6 o'clock. Change 6 to 7. Say, I get up at 7 o'clock. Try now with tea and coffee. I drink coffee. Change coffee to tea. Say, I drink tea. Good.
This practice is in the lesson notes. You can change the words, change the time, change the drink. This helps you make new sentences. Try a few now.
I go to work at 8. Change 8 to 9. Say, I go to work at 9. I check my email. Change email to write emails. Say, I write emails. Nice.
Now a short role play. I am Mark. Laura is Sarah. We keep it simple. Laura say, "Good morning, Mark." Then I answer.
Okay. Good morning, Mark. How are you? What time do you get up?
Good morning, Sarah. I am fine, thanks. I get up at 7:30. I usually drink tea. I check my email at work.
Nice. Now you try with a friend. Use the same lines. Good morning. How are you? What time do you get up? I get up at.
Listeners, you can do this with a partner, or you can do it alone. Speak and pause. Record yourself, listen, repeat. This is a good way to practice.
We also have some simple questions for you. What time does Laura get up? What does Laura drink? What time does Daniel go to work? What does Daniel do first at work? Answer now. Say the sentences.
Okay, the answers are simple. Laura gets up at 6 o'clock. Laura always drinks coffee. Daniel goes to work at 9. Daniel checks his email first. Repeat the answers.
Good job. We repeat the most important phrases one last time. Say with us. I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 7:30. I always drink coffee. I usually drink tea. I eat breakfast. Sometimes I eat breakfast. I go to work at 8. I go to work at 9. I check my email. I start work at 9.
You do very well when you practice. Try to say 2 lines every morning. Use simple words. Use the time words. You will improve.
Yes, and do not worry. Take small steps. Practice every day. Use the same patterns. That helps your English. One more quick practice.
We say one sentence. Then we pause for 10 seconds. You say the sentence. Ready? I get up at 7:30. I usually drink tea.
I check my email first.
Great.
Now we close. Thank you for listening. Daniel, any last short tip?
Yes. Speak slowly. Repeat the phrases. Use the simple verbs. That is it.
Okay, I go to my desk now. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.
You too, Laura. Bye. Listeners, have a good day. Practice your morning routine in English. See ya.